US President Donald Trump has signed an executive order setting import tariffs on goods from dozens of countries.
Is Trump's threat made good now with his signature in this executive order, which does indeed increase the amount of tariffs?
They know that access to the U.S. Market is very important, and they are taking it on the chin. 10% tariff, okay, we'll still go.
Trump's trade moves aren't just headlines, they could ignite a global shockwave. Think of tariffs spiraling, factories halting, and markets crashing overnight. What started as a political strategy could soon rewrite the rules of international trade. Could this be the spark that triggers the next global economic storm? Chapter 1. What's behind Trump's tariff strategy? Trump's approach has always been aggressive, imposing tariffs on imports to protect U.S. industries. Steel, aluminum, electronics, from everyday gadgets to essential materials, nothing is off limits. The idea is simple: make foreign goods more expensive, encourage domestic production, and boost American jobs. But the reality is far more complicated. Every country hit by these tariffs faces a choice: pay up or retaliate. And when retaliation happens, the cost of goods rises everywhere. Consumers, manufacturers, and even U.S. allies feel the pinch. This strategy isn't just about America, it's about the global domino effect of trade wars. Chapter 2. Who's really paying the price? It's easy to assume that tariffs hurt only foreign companies. But the truth, Americans often end up footing the bill. Prices in stores can rise, supply chains slow down, and businesses importing materials face higher costs. On top of that, foreign countries rarely just take it. They strike back with tariffs on U.S. exports. So, farmers, tech companies, and even everyday shoppers might suddenly see their budgets squeezed. What looks like protecting American jobs can ripple across the economy in ways no one predicted. Chapter 3. Tensions rising. Countries aren't standing still. China, the EU, and even smaller trade partners have been exploring countermeasures. Some are looking at tariffs, others at forming new alliances to bypass U.S. dominance. The result? A potential split in global trade networks. Supply chains could shift, prices could spike, and uncertainty grows for businesses around the world. What Trump considers leverage could trigger a cascade of economic instability. The world has seen trade shocks before, but this could be bigger, faster, and more unpredictable. Chapter 4. Could this spark the next crisis? Economic historians warn that aggressive tariffs often precede wider financial turmoil. When trade slows, global markets react. Exports drop, investment slows, and stock markets wobble. The 2008 financial crisis, for example, was worsened by trade tensions and over-leveraged economies. Experts worry that a similar reaction could happen if tariffs escalate unchecked. And in today's interconnected world, a shock in one country can instantly ripple across continents. Chapter 5. The stakes for businesses and consumers. Businesses are scrambling to adapt to the growing impact of tariffs. Some are moving factories abroad to avoid extra costs, while others are raising prices to cover expenses. Many are preparing for unexpected supply chain disruptions that could delay production or shipments. Consumers brace for higher costs on electronics, clothing, groceries, and household goods. Tariffs aren't just numbers, they have real-world effects that hit wallets everywhere. Those who plan early may navigate the storm, but the unprepared risk serious financial setbacks. Chapter 6. What could happen next? So what's the outlook? Trump's trade strategy could reshape the global economic landscape. Countries may rethink alliances, seek new trade partners, or push to diversify their supply chains, weakening traditional economic ties. Inflation could rise as costs climb, and prolonged tensions could slow international trade, potentially triggering shocks in financial markets worldwide. Every decision at the trade table now has consequences that ripple far beyond borders. History proves that when trade wars escalate, even the strongest economies are vulnerable. The world of trade is entering uncertain waters, and early awareness could make all the difference. Hit subscribe for updates and keep watching closely, because the next economic shock could arrive sooner than anyone anticipates.